Hi, this is David again, and in this video tutorial, we're going to discuss about Python casting. So let's get started. Python casting. Specify a variable type. There may be times when you want to specify a type onto a variable. This can be done with casting. Python is an object-oriented language, and as such it uses classes to define data types, including its primitive types. Casting in Python is therefore done using constructor functions. Int constructs an integer number from an integer literal, a float literal, by rounding down to the previous whole number, or a string literal, providing the string represents a whole number. For example, let's print the results. Save and run the program. Float constructs a float number from an integer literal, a float literal or a string literal, providing the string represents a float or an integer. For example, let's print the results. Save and run the program. Str constructs a string from a wide variety of data types, including strings, integer literals and float literals. For example, save and run the program. And that wraps up this video tutorial on Python casting. See you in my next tutorial, where we're going to discuss Python strings.